After watching numerous tutorial videos, we were so excited to go out for our first go on the SiFly Rider Plus eFoil. Following the advice, we didn't try and stand up straight away and just practiced getting into the air on all fours. At a low speed, the Rider Plus came out of the water with ease. Balancing our weight fore and aft was definitely the first main hurdle. After just a few attempts, it was possible to cover some ground and it felt easy-ish to control. Time to let our very excited 13-year-old have his first go. After a couple of false starts, he soon got the hang of getting his weight in the right place.
Lean forwards, lean forwards. There you go, that's planing. And now lean back gently. There you go, yes. Nice, nice. Oh yeah, good one. You got it.
He quickly sussed how to manoeuvre the board by moving his weight left and right.
Yeah!
Having the advantage of watching the others, it was now my turn to have a blast. I was feeling a bit cocky, so straight away I had a go at standing up. Not very balanced or graceful, but I certainly felt like I had a little bit of control by the end of the session.
Fly so high, I'm hypnotized. What's up is down, what's left is right.
Really fun, even when you fall off a lot.
Chasing stars and holding you. I can't see the end, but we'll see it through.
By day 2 we were much more confident and were starting to cover some serious ground without falling off every 5 seconds.
Get on board. We're smiling on top of the world. Dangerous times, don't fly too high. Be sure to keep the ground in sight. Fly forever if you keep it tight. Love the world, but keep the sky on your mind. Flying, get on board. We're smiling on top of the world.
And then 2 of my nephews came to have a go. They're both good surfers, but this was their first time on an eFoil.